Welcome to Your Reviews. Today we're diving into the world of drones to bring you the top 7 options you can buy this year. Whether you're a seasoned aerial photographer, a budding filmmaker, or just looking to explore the skies, we've got you covered. But before we jump into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash the like button to stay updated with all our latest reviews and recommendations. Also, check out the links in the description box below for easy access to these fantastic products. Now, let's soar into the world of drones and find the perfect one for you. Kicking off our list at number 7 is the F199 is not just a drone. It's a flying camera that brings professional-grade 8K aerial photography within your reach. Equipped with a 4K HD camera and advanced obstacle avoidance technology, this quadcopter promises crisp images and smooth navigation. Its optical flow system ensures stable hovering, while the foldable design makes it incredibly portable. Ideal for capturing breathtaking landscapes, the F199 is a dream for outdoor enthusiasts. Moving on to number 6, we have the K102 Pro Mini Drone. Don't let its size fool you. The K102 Pro Mini Drone packs a punch with its 4K HD camera and optical flow positioning. This aerial photography quadcopter is designed for agility and precision, featuring obstacle avoidance and Wi-Fi FPV for real-time transmission. Whether you're exploring tight spaces or capturing dynamic shots, the K102 Pro is your go-to for high-quality images on the fly. Next up at number 5 is the V168 Drone Professional, a powerhouse with not one but 3 cameras, offering an 8K wide-angle view that's hard to beat. Its optical GPS localization and 4-way obstacle avoidance system provide unparalleled control and safety. Designed for compatibility with Xiaomi devices, this quadcopter is perfect for tech-savvy users looking for seamless integration and top-notch aerial footage. Sliding into the 4th spot is the D8 Pro RC Professional Drone, a long-range champion boasting 5G GPS capabilities and an automatic return function that ensures it finds its way back to you. The RC Drift micro camera may be small, but it delivers where it counts, making this drone a favorite for fishing enthusiasts and those looking for a budget-friendly option without compromising on quality. Moving closer to the top, at number 3, we have the SG108 Pro 4K GPS drone, a marvel of engineering featuring a 5G Wi-Fi FPV HD dual camera system mounted on a 2-axis gimbal for stabilized high-resolution images. Its brushless motors provide a quiet yet powerful performance, and the foldable design coupled with a 1,000 meters range makes it a professional-grade RC drone that's both versatile and reliable. Penultimate on our list is the B5 Mini Drone, a testament to how far drone technology has come, offering a 3-axis gimbal for ultra-stable footage, a brushless motor for efficient operation, and a 4K HD camera for stunning visuals. Its GPS and 5G Wi-Fi capabilities ensure a strong and steady connection, making it a top choice for professionals who demand the best from their equipment. And finally, taking the crown at number 1 is the RG106 PRO Drone, a true masterpiece of aerial innovation. This 8K professional-grade drone features a 5G GPS Wi-Fi HD dual camera system, a 3-axis gimbal for anti-shake precision, and a brushless motor for smooth, silent flights. It's the ultimate tool for capturing life's moments with clarity and stability that rivals the best in the business.